This is my model covering herself in paint right before we try to create a photo that's been in my head for weeks. Now, my normal YouTube videos show how to take boudoir pictures in a regular house, but with the launch of my new presets, I realized I needed to do something special, which took weeks of planning, buying supplies, finding the perfect location, and a model totally down with covering herself in paint. All of this to create a photo I've never tried before with no idea if it would work. But first, I needed an art studio. So I searched Peerspace, I found some cool empty warehouses, but to turn it into an art studio, I would have to buy everything. Tons of canvases, paint cans, easels, brushes. And then I saw the perfect art studio. Was it too good to be true? I had to check it out.
What you know about making photos cinematic? A beautiful golden glow, it's so dramatic.
This is crazy. Now that we had the perfect location, I needed a model that would be up for my paint all over her idea. 𝐬𝐜𝐜 saw the photo inspiration and said, say less.
Click, 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 it's the other summer presets. Clients about to lose their
It felt so good to have all of that prep done and finally be ready to take some pictures. Anytime I shoot in a new location, I always try and figure out where the sun is going to be. For that, I use an app called Sunseeker. The app was able to show me that I wasn't going to get the dramatic light I was looking for because the trees outside would block the sun before it was able to get into the windows. So to create dreamy sunset light, we set up two lights. The first is a 𝐬𝐿 G200, which we set up to come through one of the top windows. The next is a smaller light from a company called 𝐵𝐫𝐲𝐿ight, just to give us more rim light so that I would be able to shoot from any direction over here and be shooting into backlight. All right, let's take some pictures. So yeah, so I'm thinking like a little bit of shoulders, some legs, just, yeah, not a lot. Just kind of start small, and we'll do less on the face to begin with. We'll just kind of see what it looks like.
This is easier than taking a picture. One click and clients thinking you always there.
Oh my God.
Summer presets. All it takes is one click, click, click. It's the other summer presets. Clients about to lose their shit. Don't matter if you shoot on Canon or not. Wait.
Let's switch off the shoulder. And we'll do just 2 or 3 like this. That's so good.
When's the last time taking pictures filled your cup? I've been working so hard to help you be.
So let's take this kind of bland colored image and make it pop. Each one of these presets has a slightly different vibe, but for this, I think ES5 is perfect. One of the special things about these presets is that they're all profiles, and that means you can increase or decrease their overall intensity. So let's push this one even a little bit more extreme at 140.
It's the other summer presets. All it takes is one click, click, click.
All right, so now we switch to the overalls, which is the whole point of why we set this up. This was the original idea. She's painting, we're getting paint all over her, and look at this girl. She's meant to do this shoot. You were born to do this shoot.
Snap it, click and watch it unfold. The other summer presets turn.
So here's the secret on getting this beautiful flare. Shoot wide open on whatever lens you have. Then I'm also using a mist filter to generate more haze as the light comes in the lens. Okay, and then you can peek over at me as you do it. This beautiful art studio is run by Amadea. Go check out her website, her work is incredible. But for this, I didn't want to start a painting from scratch, and I certainly wasn't going to use hers. So I hopped on Facebook Marketplace and picked up a couple of options. I'm definitely going to need to check the dimensions beforehand next time. Love that. Okay, a couple more eyes this way. I love that with the brush in the mouth.
It's the other summer presets. Clients about to lose their shit. Don't matter if you shoot on Canon or not. Wait, make Nikon shots.
Okay, and then just get a little closer so that your elbow's a little bit more bent as you do it. Yeah, right there. Yes, okay, perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Okay, now peeking at me.
What you know about making photos cinematic? A beautiful golden glow.
I've created for you guys some bonus tools. So after we hit this with ES7 and bump it up, check out how you can, in just one click, enhance her eyes. Not only that, but then you can change the amount of eye enhancement you want for that image. And then check out how you can soften her skin with one click. And again, choose the amount that you want that skin to soften. Maybe we do this to where it's like on the ground, you can like be sitting on the ground. Love, 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 love. Okay, one more. All right, let's wrap on that. Wow.
Really? Ooh, get that picture from there.
That is so fucking good.
It's the ever summer preset. All it takes is one click, click, click.
That did it. Oh, it feels so good.
This was a really, really special shoot for me to do. And I'm so grateful for all of you who pushed me to try new things and to see what else I'm capable of creating in my photography. The presets are available now, link in the description, and I hope that you guys love them as much as I do. Huge thanks to everybody who made this happen. Sarah, my makeup artist, Shani, the amazing model, Max helping me think outside the box, and my videographer Chris, who didn't film himself. And finally,
I want to thank me.